How to reset iPhone without Apple ID password? Here's what you need to know. If Find My iPhone and activation lock are turned on, Apple requires your Apple ID password to erase and reactivate the device. There is no legitimate free method to bypass this security feature. However, if Find My iPhone is turned off, you can reset your iPhone without entering your Apple ID password. Simply open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Scroll down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Erase All Content and Settings and follow the on-screen instructions. If your iPhone asks for your device passcode but not your Apple ID password, you can complete the reset. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, don't try third-party bypass tools. Instead, go to Apple's iforgot.apple.com website to reset your Apple ID password. After regaining access to your account, you can erase and set up your iPhone normally. If you're the original owner and no longer have access to the Apple ID, Apple support may also be able to help if you can provide valid proof of purchase. Keep in mind that after a factory reset, if activation lock is enabled, you'll still need to sign in with the Apple ID previously linked to the device before you can use it again. And that's it. Now you know the safest and official ways to factory reset your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.